Hello, I'm Dr. David Yates, and I'll be your instructor for the Hazardous Materials course, BOS 3125. This course covers the principles and practices of hazardous materials management in the workforce, both on hazardous materials and hazardous waste. One thing I want to mention up front is that communication is the key to your success. If you don't tell me what's going on as far as your schoolwork, I can't help you. But if you'll just send me a communication either by Ask the Professor link, or you can contact me directly by email. Those two are the best methods to reach me. Both of them go straight to my email. And I'll respond normally within 24 hours. If I don't, feel free to send me another email. I do have telephone conferences. I normally schedule my telephone conferences between 6:30 and 8 o'clock, Tuesday through Thursday, and again on Saturday mornings about 9 to 11 a.m. Keep in mind I am in Central Time Zone. But before you schedule a telephone conference, we need to do that via email. We'll correspond via email if you're having a particular trouble on one of the units and you want to talk to me. Just send me an email. We'll set it up and we'll arrange it. This does a couple of things. Number one, it gives me the topic that you want to talk about so that I can come prepared and not waste your time or mine. And secondly, it makes sure I'm available. So we'll go from there. And let me see. Let me just check my notes here. I encourage you to participate in the discussion boards. A lot of times you'll learn from other students as well as the professor. I can tell you that I learn a lot of things. Many of you come from a fire science background or a firefighter background. I learn a lot of things from you guys, so we're all here to learn from each other. I've already talked about granting an extension, or maybe I haven't, but if you are going to be late on an assignment, I would ask that you just send me a quick email. I don't need a reason. Just tell me I'm going to be late and when you'll have the assignment in. We all get busy, and I understand that sometimes we just have a tough week. And if you want to do that, I'll 100% grant those. I do not want you to go any greater than 7 days, because if you go beyond 7 days, you start getting behind, and it starts affecting the other work. And then one caveat to that is if you're in the final week and you want to go beyond the course deadline, as a professor, I do not have that authority. You have to submit a special request for the extension through the university. They will in turn send it to me, and of course I'll grant that, but you've got to go through that process, and I think there might be a small fee that you have to pay to get the extension, but if you'll do that. I have one of the things that I firmly believe in is that college graduates should know how to communicate, both orally and written. And so therefore I'll pay a lot of attention to the APA formatting, and to ensure that you have the proper style, I will send you via email a template that you can use. If you follow that template to the letter, then you should have no problems with the formatting. Okay. Bottom line to all this is it's a good course. The developers actually put together some good material. But at the end of the course, you'll be asked to tell what you like, what you want to keep, and what needs to be improved for the next class. Okay, and most importantly, I want you to learn and have fun. So I welcome you to the course. Thanks.